This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by amy.wirtz. Beautifully maintained 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath single-family home with an open and airy floor plan, great for entertaining and family gatherings. Spacious owner's suite with vaulted ceilings. Ensuite bathroom has a large soaker tub and walk-in shower. Backyard with large composite deck overlooking pond. Conveniently located. Appliances, blinds, and built-in entertainment center with audio system convey. Washer, dryer and refrigerator convey as is. Now is the opportunity to make this your new home. For more information, review the details below or contact Amy Wirtz at 757-373-0438.